How to use Target Cycle Reward. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on using Target Cycle Reward. So to use Target Cycle Reward, you can earn them or purchase them, apply them at check-in or checkout in store as well. So in order to earn reward, you just want to join Target Circle program. So what you want to do is here, you just want to go ahead and log into your Target from your app store. And once you're logged into your account, you could then go to the Target Circle program. You could go to My Target and look for these section where it says Target My Circle or Circle Reward. And you could use your linked phone number or wallet barcode in the app at the checkout, and just open the Target app and just have to go to My Target section, locate wallet, or you have these wallet at the bottom of the page. Right in center, you tap onto that option, select the available reward and scan the wallet barcode at checkout. And alternatively, you can enter your phone number at the keypad as well. And that's how you're going to use Circle Reward. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.